After every coffee-making session, we recommend you perform a clear water backflush before you turn off the machine. This helps remove any residual oils from the espresso parts. Firstly, empty the drip tray. Insert the 1-cup filter basket into the portafilter and insert the silicone cleaning disc into the filter basket. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Press the brew button to start the flow of water into the portafilter. After around 20 seconds, stop the shot, which discharges water back into the drip tray. Do this 3 or 4 more times, and you've done a clear water backflush.